Okay, hi everyone. So it's me, Rosemix, and now we will do a review and unboxing of this lampshade. So this is the brand is YoStyle, and this is a USB table lamp, touch control desk lamp with 3 USB charging port. Yes, this lampshade has a 3 charging ports, and 2 AC outlets. And then there is also a 3 level brightness, and then 7 feet power cord. So this is a bedside lamp with wooden charging station for home, bedroom, dorm, office, anywhere you want to put this. Okay, so let's unbox it. So as you can see, I have 3 lampshade here because I really love it. I already have one. I bought one for our room, and then I decided to get another 3 because this is a like 3-in-1. You know, you can charge your devices through the USB charging port, and you can plug your laptop or any devices that use AC outlet. So in one lamp. Isn't that neat? So let's unbox it. Okay, so there is a guarantee card. Okay, there's a guarantee card, and there is a bulb. The bulb is included, so that is nice. So this is the bulb, and this is the stand. This is the stand, and this is the base of the lampshade. So as you can see, there is a 3 USB charging port, and then there is 2 AC outlet, and so it's empty. And also there is a USB table lampshade manual. Okay, so let's assemble it. So first you have to get the stand, and as you can see, there is a port here. All you have to do and then if you can see this, you have to unscrew this part. Okay, so you can put this thing. Okay. 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 So as you can see this, so we will put it here like that, and then we will screw this. Okay, so it's like that. Okay, and of course, let's put the bulb. Okay, so if you can see at the back, there is a switch. I don't know if you can see there. There is a switch. So this is really nice that there is a switch because I have a daughter, and when she's in our room, she always touch this because you need to touch the stand of this lampshade to turn on. Okay, so one touch, first bright, second touch, it brighter, and then third touch, that's the brightest of the light. Okay, and then another touch, it will turn off. Okay, and of course, when this is not on, you cannot use the charging port and then the AC outlet. This should be turned on. Okay, so I will plug into the socket so you can see how this thing will work. Okay, so I already plug in the cord. So let's turn it on. Okay, so I already turned the lampshade on. So first tap, second tap, third tap, and then off. So only thing that you need to do is tap this. See? Okay. So let's use the USB charging port if it is working. Okay, I have a charger here. Okay, and then let's try my phone. If it will charge, you will hear the beep. I hope you will hear it. Okay, so it's charging. Can you see that? It works. One more. So it works. It charged. Okay, let's charge the iPad. Okay. Okay, so it's charged. It's charging. Well, it's fully charged, but it's charging. Okay, so let's put it on the other port. So you will see. Okay, so it's charged, and then the next port. Okay, so it's charged. So I don't have. Okay, I will get the other lampshade to test the AC outlet if it is working. Okay, so this is the other lampshade. So let's see. Let's use the AC outlet. Okay. Let's plug it in here. Okay, as you can see, it's plugged in. So let's try. This is already turned on. Okay, it works. See? Wow. And then let's check the other AC outlet. Okay, then 1, 2, 3. It works. So if you are a type of person like me who likes like 3-in-1, 4-in-1, this is perfect for you. Because in one lamp, you have 2 AC outlet, and then you have 3 USB charging port. So you don't need another cord to put it on the other outlet. You know, there's a lot of wirings, but here in a lampshade you can use this, right, to charge your devices, to plug in your laptop or other device that uses the AC outlet. So it's perfect. So I hope I help you out in some ways. If you want a lampshade with this features, buy a YoStyle USB lampshade with 3 USB charging port and 2 AC outlet with 3 brightness setup. Okay, have a great day everyone. Bye bye.